Hello everybody, I want to show you this video two secret hidden codes at the Huawei Nova 5 and Nova 5T. So for that we need the dialer, and let us start with the first one. It's the project menu. So it's star hash 2846579 hash star hash star. So this is the project menu. Sometimes it takes a few seconds until you see that. And yeah, you can check your background settings and so on. You can have linear informations like the version info here, like the manufacturer info, other infos, and so on and so on. So and also network informations. Actually, I have no SIM card inserted and so on. You can make a software upgrade. You can reset you can make a factory data reset, and you can also check your battery charge. So the battery level is here at 27, so it means 27%. And yeah, and the battery temperature is here, as you can see, at 28 degrees. They give you some tips. So the best battery levels, so the best percents are between 60% and 75%. So then the battery have the maximum power and so on. And the temperature should be always below 70 degrees. Because if you leave your phone under the sun, it is not really good and your phone will turn off then, because the temperature of the battery have to be always below 70 degrees. But you can check the battery temperature, and in our case it's absolutely okay. Okay, let's go back here to the dialer and let's enter the second code. It's star hash 0000 hash star hash star. Then we're here in the about phone sector, and you will see here some stuff like the build number, the email numbers, and the hardware version, and so on and so on. So some nice informations. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you something new with it. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.